The 2022 Honda HR-V has finally received official pricing in Thailand, a few weeks after the third generation crossover made its debut in the country. Customers in the country will have access to 3 trim levels, beginning with the entry-level E that is priced at 979,000 baht, followed by the EL at 1.079 million baht and the range-topping RS at 1.179 million baht. Unlike the previous HR-V, the new model is only available with the hybrid powertrain, especially Honda's eHEV system with intelligent multi-mode drive technology. The setup consists of a 1.5-litre naturally aspirated Atkinson cycle engine that delivers 105 PS from 6000 to 6400 RPM and 127 Nm of torque from 4500 to 5000 RPM. The former is 7 PS more than what the City eHEV offers. This E20 gasohol-ready DOHC IV-Tech engine is paired with an eCVT and works with 2 electric motors rated at 131 PS and 253 Nm. The former is again more than the City eHEV by 22 PS. The eHEV setup in the HR-V provides a total system output of 215 PS and has a claimed fuel consumption of 25.6 km per litre. Defined by the same key design concepts of function and beauty, the compact coupe-inspired shape is familiar yet exciting in appearance, with a playful character and confident SUV stance. Its sleek silhouette is achieved by increasing the road clearance by 10 mm and reducing the roof height by 20 mm compared to the previous model. Increasing the size of the wheels to 18 inches, which comes as standard on the all-new HR-V, and reducing the front overhang further reinforces the robust SUV appeal and provides the aesthetic solidity that modern customers desire. On the outside, the crossover now comes with a more upright front fascia that comes with a large grille, sweeping new LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, a new sportier looking hood design. Overall, its new fascia has a few design elements of the Honda CR-V mixed in it, especially with its lower bumper, which comes with similar creases and cuts as well as similar fog light placement. Moving on to the side of the all-new Honda HR-V, you get a high belt line that is paired with a floating roof to help give the vehicle a more SUV-like look. The crossover also gets wider fender flares, along with a new set of alloy wheels that will vary in design depending on the variant chosen. Interested buyers will be able to get a set of optional modulo wheels if they choose to customize their crossover. At the rear, the new HR-V comes with a much squarer rear design that is complemented with a back-swept tailgate. On the inside, the cabin of the 2022 Honda HR-V resembles that of its Honda Civic counterpart. It adopts a much more simplistic design and a dual-layer layout with a sloped dashboard. It now comes with a floating 8-inch infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a new climate control system, a redesigned information display, and a 3-spoke steering wheel that also houses multimedia controls.